turning off stolen device protection on your iPhone, but it just refuses to turn off? Here's the fix. 1. Wait for the security delay. When you try to disable it, a 1-hour timer will start. After the timer finishes, you'll need to try turning it off again. If it still doesn't work after the delay ends, move on to the next fix. 2. Update your iPhone software. First, open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and tap on General. Tap Software Update. If an update is available, download and install the latest iOS version. 3. Disable any VPN connection. First, open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and tap on General. Scroll and look for the option VPN and Device Management. Tap on it. If a VPN is connected, simply disconnect it. After disabling the VPN, go back and try turning off the feature again. Still not working. 4. Check Location Services Settings. Open the Settings app on your device. Scroll all the way down and click on Privacy and Security. Tap on Location Services. Make sure Location Services is turned on. Next, at the bottom, tap on System Services. Look for significant locations, tap it, and make sure it is enabled. After enabling these options, try disabling stolen device protection again. Still not working. 5. Check screen time restrictions. Open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and tap on Screen Time. At the bottom, select Content and Privacy Restrictions. Scroll down to the Allow Changes section, tap on Passcode and Face ID, set it to Allow. Now go back and try turning off the feature. Still not working. Final option, contact Apple support. If none of these methods doesn't work, the best option is to contact Apple support so they can check the problem directly from their side, and that's it.